I didn't think it was going to be possible for me being a mom with 2 young kids. My husband was in school, and we both worked full time. And then I learned it was a low residency program. You only had to be there 2 times a year for 10 days, and it was pretty much you are responsible for doing the work. And I'm like, I'm organized, I can totally do that, and I did. And that's kind of the thing when people say, I can't do it. Like, if I did it, you can totally do it.
Because of the low residency, you can keep your job, you can still live with your family wherever you are, and yet fulfill this dream of really working hard on your writing. And that's the thing that I think is most pleasing, and also maybe most surprising sometimes to the students, is they're kind of like, oh, it's low residency, and I just kind of want to dabble in writing. No, the faculty here is going to push you really, really hard to be the best writer you can be.
And it's really important to note that an MFA is actually higher than an MA, right? An MFA is a terminal degree because there is no doctorate of fine arts. So it's the equivalent of a PhD in this particular field. So yes, it is furthering your education for professional reasons, for personal reasons, whatever. But the big focus, because it's a fine arts degree, is on product, is producing the art.
The majority of the people who come into this program have always been writing. You know, writers, by and large, start about the time they can put a word on paper with a pen. And most of them come to a point where they realize they've done all the self-study they can do, and in order to make a leap into their next best writing, that they need some guidance.
What OCU is providing is actually a resource to people in the region that they might not find anywhere else. It's an opportunity to work with published writers as your professors, and to work with other students who are working on their masters with you. And so there's a collaboration that gets to happen between the students and the students, and the students and the professors.
When you come into the program, from the very first set of writing, you turn into your advisor. You're writing towards your thesis. So when people graduate, they have a book-length project. They may not have a book yet, but they have a book-length project that they can then take and polish up and revise and then send out for publication. The way the program works is that each writer has a mentor, one person, and our mentors don't have more than 6 students. So you get really close, detailed readings of your writing, and it's comments, and here's where you might go from here, and here's something you might consider. So it's very personalized. It's a conversation between a master writer and an early career writer about writing.
Working one-on-one with really great faculty, meeting a lot of great motivated fellow students, and yet not having to pick up and move and abandon your family, your job, all these sorts of things. These are some of the great selling points of the program, in my opinion.